when you're drinking red wine, it's better to drink it with just a little bit of a chill to the wine. You really don't want to drink it at room temperature. It can kind of exhibit the alcohol up front instead of having the nice fruit characteristics that everybody enjoys with red or white wine. So a lot of people ask, why do I drink my red wine that's been slightly chilled? Well, you want to drink the wine at cellar temperature, which is around 50 to 60 degrees. The reason being is because it'll hide a lot of the alcohol that can kind of be up front, or what people call hot. And it can mask a lot of the fruit flavors and everything else that you can really enjoy in the wine. I like to use what they call the 20-minute rule, to where if you're going to drink a bottle of red wine at home, you stick your red wine in the fridge, let it chill for about 20 minutes, and then take it out and enjoy it. Or I like to, when I drink a bottle of white wine, I take the white wine out of the fridge and let it sit on the counter for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then let it come down in temperature, because if it's too cold, you really can't enjoy a lot of the body, or the structure of the wine, the fruit flavors that the wine has. And try it at home one day. Drink a wine that is really cold, and then drink the same wine after it's been sitting out for a while, and you notice a difference in the body and the way that the wine tastes.